GSA Industries started very small by doing industrial job work for a few industrial groups. Within a span of 25 years, the company has attained a distinctive position by manufacturing and supplying RCP inserts, elephant rings to automobile joints globally, among others. The name GSAI has made its mark in USA, Mexico, Germany, Poland, Russia, Turkey, China, Brazil and other countries by supplying globally standardized products. GSA Industries is always in the quest of adopting new technology. On the line of that philosophy, an automated program-controlled sand preparation plant for sand casting foundry has been installed. The sand plant is equipped with sand mixer of 500 kg capacity for mulling the system's sand to upgrade it with new sand, clay and moisture as per the set specifications to achieve the target properties for the green sand molding. The addition of clay and moisture is automatically controlled by programmable logic controller to meet the exact proportions required for the prepared sand. The prepared sand from the muller is offloaded into the 1000 kg main hopper, from where it is carried through a conveyor belt to the molding machine hoppers. The prepared sand further gets distributed by means of plows into each hopper as required. Sand from the hoppers is dropped by pneumatically operated jaws on the pattern plate, which is surrounded by the molded box. The sand is then compacted by pneumatic jaw squeeze operation to the requisite mold hardness. In this manner, the cope and drag mold boxes are completed on two separate molding machines. Cores are prepared separately in the core shooter with resin-bonded sand and ammonia gas. These cores are then placed in situ into the molds at specific locations. The cope and drag mold boxes are then closed, one on top of the other, to form the completed mold ready for pouring. Several such molds are lined up on trolleys placed on rails. Then the molten metal of specific requirements is procured from induction furnace and is poured into these molds. The molds after casting are allowed sufficient time to cool before these slide on the rail to reach vibratory shakeout machines. The molds are then thoroughly and vigorously shaken to knock out the sand. The casting passes through for fettling, cleaning, shot blasting, etc. before being sent for visual and dimensional inspection. The used sand gets regenerated in an elaborate process. It falls onto a conveyor belt underground below the shakeout machines and the molding machines, where the lumps are broken down. Metal parts are magnetically removed before the sand passes onto the bucket elevator to finally reach the sieving hoppers at the top. Here the sand is cooled and sieved. This used sand is then transferred to the muller, in which it is generated to all required specifications for the next operations of molding. The sand plant and sand casting operation is supported by an NABL certified laboratory of global standard, which is fully equipped with the most modern equipment for accurate monitoring of sand quality and metallurgical quality. The addition of sand plant is another step, another chapter in the ongoing process to attain rapidly changing technology. GSA Industries is changing for good, changing for excellence.